Hello sir, ma'am. Good evening. My name is Claire Tom, married, 50 years old, and blessed with one kid, and currently in the Philippines. Regarding my personality, I am honest, kind, understanding, diligent, obedient, and patient. With regards also to my experiences, I've been working in abroad for 15 years, way back 2005 to 2010. I've been working in Lebanon for 5 years. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of two adults. Their ages is 85 years old and 60 years old. And my duties and responsibilities for them is to take care for them, to give them medicine, to cook food for them, to uh, clean the house, and to bathe them. And in the year 2010 to 2012, I've been working also in Dubai for 2 years and to look after the baby for 1 year. And my duties is to give her milk and to look her for the whole day because her parents is at work, and also to bathe her and to change her diaper and everything. And in the year 2013 to 2020, that is only for one employer for 7 years. So my duties and responsibilities also is to take care of two children. Their ages is 4 years old and 7 years old. And my duties for them is to bring them in school. But before I bring them in school in the morning, from Monday to Friday, I need to prepare food for them first for their breakfast, and to prepare their things, their bags, their uniform, and also to change their clothes to go to school. Then I bring them in the school, and then in the afternoon I need to fetch them again to bring them back at home, and also to clean the whole house, to do all the duties and responsibilities, being a helper, and to cook also food for them. That is my specialty, cooking. And also, my favorite job is cooking. I don't know why. This is my favorite, to cook food. Chinese food, especially Chinese food. I like the taste of Chinese food because it's very healthy for our health. You don't need to put any, just a little bit salt when you cook this one, the soup, especially soup. I like it so much because it is you don't need to put salt, a little bit, only a pinch of salt. That's it. It's so healthy in our body. And also, I love also to play for the kids. If they finish their studies, I bring them in the playground to play, just 30 minutes only, like that. And also, I love to teach them also in their homework. Um, and that's all, and thank you. So I hope and pray, ma'am and sir, that I am lucky to be chosen being your helper. So if ever I go in your family to work, I assure and promise for you that I need to do my duties and responsibilities very well. Thank you and God bless. And I hope you enjoy to watch my video. God bless. Bye-bye.